Hello children, let us start 10th class, a fresh topic, third chapter, that is polynomials. So before going to that topic, let us have a small discussion about the proverb. The proverb that we have selected today is, try and try till you win. What is the meaning of this, children? Usually we will start some work. Some difficulties occur sometimes, or sometimes you may not be up to the mark to find a solution for it. Then immediately what you feel? You say that, yeah, this is not up to me. It is for somebody else. Let me stop doing it. Let me try for other thing, not this. That is wrong on your part, children. If you are not able to get the solution for the problem that you are unable to solve, again and again and again you try. How long? Definitely you will get a solution. How do you know, children? When you are trying and trying and trying, you are making your mind more and more sharper, more and more active. So, it definitely gives you the solution. So don't forget this, children. Never stop doing your work in between, saying that I cannot do or I am facing this problem. Nothing is impossible, children. Already we know that the word impossible always says that I am possible. So work hard, definitely success will be yours. Now let us go to the topic. The Telangana State Syllabus, 10th class, polynomials. This is the third chapter, children. So, before going to this polynomials, let us have a small discussion about your algebraic expressions which you have done in your previous classes. You have done about monomial. What is monomial, children? It is having a single term. For example, you can write 3p cube q. This is a monomial. Even though you have number, two variables, you call it as a monomial. Why? Because there is no addition or subtraction sign between them. You are multiplying. So you are going to take it as a single term. Next, you have got binomial. What does it contains? It contains two terms. As an example, you can write 2x plus 3y, so on. Two terms will be there. That is called binomial. Or even you can write 5p plus 4. Anything which has got two terms, they are considered as binomials. And trinomial, which has got three terms. What are the, children? X plus y minus z. 1, 2, 3 terms are there. These are called trinomial. Then we go to polynomial. Polynomial means it has got many terms in it. Many terms. If you have a single variable, we will be having 2x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 5. When you are talking about a single variable with some power, polynomial. So actually, from binomial you can consider them as polynomials only, but it is a binomial. As the name indicates, two terms have got a specific name, so you can call it as a binomial, and three terms you can call it as a trinomial. Remaining all are polynomials. Now we are going to write the definition. Copy this, children. Now, what is polynomial. What is the definition of this polynomial? Let us see. What is meant by polynomial? It is a polynomial is an algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression containing the sum of a finite. Finite means what, children? Countable. You have done in sets, finite sets and infinite sets. Finite means countable. So a finite number of terms in the form of a x to the power of n, where a is a real number. A is a real number, but a should not be equal to 0 and n is a whole number. N is a whole number. What do you mean by this? Let me explain this. A polynomial is an algebraic expression. It is in terms of variables and the numbers, constant terms, containing the sum of finite number of terms. The terms will be finite. Some countable terms are there which are added, and they are in the form of a x to the power of n, where a is certain number. But what kind of number it is? It is a real number. But we know that real numbers do contain 0. We are not supposed to take that 0. Except 0, other real numbers you can take. And n is a whole number. N is a whole number means always n should be positive. Example, you can write 2x cube plus 5x square plus 4x plus 6. You can consider it as a polynomial where, see, 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. We have got a variable with some powers. All the powers are having positive values. 3, 2, 1. Nothing means 1. So this can be taken as an example of a polynomial. Children, write down. This is the introduction of polynomials topic. Now, let us go to the next part. The next part here, children, you have got do these sums in page 32. Page 52, not 32. Do these sums are there. So in this, state which are polynomials or not a polynomial. So first one, 2x cube, definitely it is a monopolynomial, so we call it as it is a polynomial. Why, children? It is, you have got a real number, a variable with a positive power. Now, The second one, 1 by x minus 1. It is not a polynomial. Why you know? Because x is in the denominator. X is in the denominator. What do you mean by this, children? If x is in the denominator, what is going to happen? 1 by x can be written as x to the power of minus 1. So the power is negative. So you are getting here n as negative. But what does the definition say, children? It should be positive. So whenever in a given algebraic expression, if you have one variable in the denominator, you cannot consider it as a polynomial. Next, third one, 4z square plus 1 by z, 1 by 7. It is a polynomial because the variable is having positive sign. Next, fourth one, m square minus root 2m plus 2. Definitely it is also a polynomial because variable is not in the denominator. Even the root 2 is there, doesn't matter. We are considering about the variable. All the variables are in numerator. Next, fifth bit, p to the power of minus 2 plus 1. What is this, children? It is nothing but 1 by p square plus 1. So we will say that it is not a polynomial. Why? N value is because n is negative. N means the power is negative. So it is not a polynomial. So copy this to these are do this sums. Now the next one, degree of the polynomial. What is the degree, children? Degree is the highest power of the given variable in the given polynomial. The highest power of the given variable in the given polynomial is called the degree of the given polynomial. So what do you mean by this? So suppose you have got 5x to the power of 7 minus 4x cube plus 3x minus 5. This is a polynomial, definitely. Now, powers, if you see, the highest power, what is the highest power? Highest power, you have got different powers. This has got 3, this has got 1, this has got 7. Highest power is 7. Therefore, degree is 7. So, degree of a given polynomial means what, children? What is the highest power of the given polynomial? That is called degree of the polynomial. So I hope you have followed. Write down this, children. Now, let us see the next part. Next one is value of a polynomial. You are going to talk about value of a polynomial. Value of a polynomial. Value of a polynomial means if the given polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. Suppose if you have got x is equal to 1, then you have to find out what is p of 1. That means wherever x is there, substitute by 1. 1 whole square minus 2 into 1 minus 3. 1 minus 2 minus 3. 1 minus 5 minus 4. So what is the value? P of 1 is equal to minus 4. This is called the value of the given polynomial, children. So I hope you have followed this. How to find out? It's very easy, simple substitutions. Okay, children. Now, let us do these problems in page 53. Do these problems in page 53. So the first one is, they have given p of x is equal to x square minus 5x minus 6. Now you have to find the values of p of 1. What is p of 1? 1 square minus 5 into 1 minus 6. 1 minus 5 minus 6. So how much, children, you are getting? 1 minus 11, that is equal to minus 10. This is the first bit. And what is the second bit? P of 2. So 2 square minus 5 into 2 minus 6. So 2 square is 4 minus 10 minus 6. 4 minus 16 minus 12 is the answer. Now, the third bit, P of 3. 3 square minus 5 into 3 minus 6. So how much you are getting, children? 9 minus 15 minus 6. 9 minus 21 is how much? 12. These are the answers for 3 bits that are given here. And another one we will see. Again, p of x we will write x square minus 5x minus 6. We have done p of 3. So what is p of 0? 0 square minus 5 into 0 minus 6. That is 0 minus 0 minus 6. Minus 6 is the answer. Next, p of minus 1. Minus 1 whole square minus 5 into minus 1 minus 6. I hope you are following, children. Simple sums these are. 1 minus into minus plus 5 minus 6. 6 minus 6, 0. This is the solution value. Then p of minus 2. Minus 2 whole square minus 5 into minus 2 minus 6. 4 plus 10 minus 6. 14 minus 6. That is 8. So I hope you have followed, children. Next, p of minus 3. Minus 3 whole square minus 5 into minus 3 minus 6, that is equal to 9 plus 15 minus 6. So how much you are getting? 24 minus 6 is 18. This is the answer. So these are the various values of P of x with the values, children. Write down this. 6 bits are there. That is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bits are there. Actually, they have not given these values directly. They have given the sum. Copy this. Now, let us go to the second problem. Now, the second one is P of m is m square minus 3m plus 1. Now you have to find out P of 1. 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 1. 1 minus 3 plus 1. 2 minus 3 minus 1 is the answer for it. Next. P of m is equal to m square minus 3m plus 1. P of minus 1. Minus 1 whole square minus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 3 plus 1, that is 5 is the answer for this bit. So these are simple substitutions, children. Just you have to substitute the value. Only the thing, you should be perfect with this multiplication of the signs, additions of integers, everything. If you are perfect, it is so easy. See children, here I just wanted to tell you, here 1 minus 3 plus 1 is there. I have found many of the students, what they do, first they do this, then they add it. Please don't do that, children. Always when you are adding integers, all similar signs you add first. That means here it is plus. So all plus signs I have added. I kept minus and minus value, minus 3. Suppose you have another minus 1, you have to add that and write. Then you simplify. That is easy for you, and that is the way in which you have to do integers addition. What they will do is, directly 1 minus 3, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. That is not correct, children. Here it is a simple one, so you can do it. But in some cases, what happens, children? Very big values you will be getting. In that case also, you cannot keep on doing that. So whenever you are doing integers addition, first what you write all the integers. Then what you have to do? All positive signs you add and write. All negative signs you add and write. So positive signs minus negative sign value. Then whichever is greater, from that you subtract the smaller one. Whatever is the greatest number is having, that sign you keep for the answer. If you follow this method, you will get the work done very easily and perfectly, children. So this don't forget. Many of the students I found doing mistake in this polynomial additions. Means integers additions, in fact. There only they are going wrong. The main thing is they are missing this concept of adding same signs first, then make them as only two values with a minus sign in between them, so that very easily you can simplify, children. Please keep it in mind. Now, let us talk about the next one. The next one is about 0 of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomials. So let us see what are 0 of the polynomials. In your book you have got an example, children. P of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. You have to find its values at x is equal to 3, minus 1 and 2. So let us see first p of 3. 3 square minus 2 into 3 minus 3. This is 9 minus 6 minus 3. So 9, as I told you, same signs, minus 9. You can cancel, you are getting 0. So 0 is the answer. Next, p of minus 1. Minus 1 whole square plus 2 into minus 1 minus 3. That is 1 minus 2 minus 3. That is 1 minus 5 minus 4. Now, again, p of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3 over p of 2. 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 3. 4 minus 4 minus 3. So, plus 4 minus 4 you can cancel. Minus 3 is the solution. Now, see children, in all these values, for which value you have got answer as 0? It is 3. So, 0 of a polynomial, 0 of p of x is equal to 3. This is the answer, children. 0 of the polynomial means this. Means for whatever value of the variable, the solution is 0. That value is called, value of the variable is called 0 of the polynomial. So, what you will be saying about this, children? 0 means what you need to get? You need to get, I will give you the definition of 0 of the polynomial. Just to copy it. So, zero of a polynomial. The value of the given variable for which the solution, for which the value, that is the solution obtained is 0 is called the 0 of the given polynomial. So, in the earlier case, we have got the p of x is given as x square minus 2x minus 3. For p of 3, we got value as 0. For p of minus 1, what is p of minus 1, children? Minus 1 means minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 3. Here also 1 plus 2 minus 3. 3 minus 3. Here also you have got 0. So, for p of 3 you got 0. P of minus you got 0. Then what is p of 2? P of 2 is 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 3. How much you got? 4 minus 4 minus 3. These two you have got minus 3. So, you have got 0 here and you have got 0 here. So, what are the zeros of a polynomial? Zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 3 and minus 1. Two values you are getting. 3 and minus 1 are called zeros of the polynomial. So, how did you get p of 3 as a 0, children? Shall we do it once? That is 3 whole square minus 2 into 3 minus 3. So, how much you are getting here? 9 minus 6 minus 3. 9 minus 9, 0. So you are getting 0 in this case. P of 3 you got 0. P of minus 1 you got 0. But P of 2 minus 3. So you will be saying that zeros of the polynomial is 3 and minus 1. Understood, children? So this is called the definition. This is the definition of zero of the polynomial, and this is the explanation for it. Okay, children? Now, we will go to the next part. Now the next part is do these problems in page 54. So what are these? Do these problems. First one. P of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. And you have to find out P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, P of 3 and obtain zeros of the polynomial. P of 1. 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 3. 1 minus 4 plus 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. Next, P of 2. 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 3. That is equal to 4 minus 8 plus 3, 7 minus 8 minus 1. Now, again, we will write P of x, x square minus 4x plus 3. Now, you need to find out P of 3. 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 3. 9 minus 12 plus 3. That is 12 minus 12, 0. So, what are zeros of P of x? What are the values, children? You got 1 0 for 1 and another 0 for 3. So, these two are the answers. Okay, children? Now, let us talk about second bit. Check whether minus 3 and 3 are zeros of x square minus 9. So let us consider P of x is x square minus 9 and go for P of minus 3. Minus 3 whole square minus 9. 9 minus 9, you got 0. So again, P of x is equal to x square minus 9. P of 3 is equal to 3 square minus 9. 9 minus 9, 0. So we will be saying that 3 minus 3 and 3 are zeros of x square minus 9. You can prove it like this. So I hope you have understood this, children. Once again I am saying integers addition, please be careful. When you have a long values, that means 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 6 minus 5 minus 7. Like this, if you have got various values, children, while adding, first you take all these positive values. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 6, 11. Then all negative values you add. That is 9, 16. So they are all negative. You take like this. This is always important, children. Here small numbers, so directly you can say. But if you have a lengthy problem, you will find it difficult. I found many children doing this sums as 2 plus 3, 5, 5 minus 4, 1, like that. If they do like that, there is a chance of going wrong. So always you see that the same signs you add, and now you go for the answer, children. Minus 5. See how easily you are able to get this, children. So don't forget, this is very, very important for polynomials to solve the problem. This method always you should follow, children. So I hope you have followed. Next part I wanted to do it in the next class.